We just got this bed for my daughter for her 2-year-old birthday. Come on in. Look. What is it? Dora?
You got a new bed. It's a Dora bed. Isn't that amazing?
Is that Dora?
You
Your
gonna
Dora?
sleep with Dora?
Can you sing a song?
Dora.
Do you like your bed?
This is your new bed.
So thank you, Mommy, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy 2-year birthday. She turns 2.
Do you like it?
This is what you get to sleep on from now on. You love it. Give me a kiss. Kiss me. I love you. Say yay. We love some Dora.
Dora bed.
Here's your Dora doll that needs a new hairdo. You ready to go night-night?
Oh.
You want to get under the covers?
Alrighty. Give Daddy kisses. Mwah. Happy birthday.